Hi everyone, welcome back. It's Doug from Bjorn Territory. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to paint a Deadwalker zombie for your Soulblight Gravelords. This is my first video for my new army. Hope you like this one. Take care. So starting with the Deadwalker Zombies, I've just done a base coat in Wraith Bone. I'm going to come in now with some Rakar flesh for all the skin and bone. Now, as always, I paint them to 3 foot fabulous, and I'm doing a batch of them to start with. I'll just take my time going over carefully with the Rakar flesh. I'm now going to come in with Reichland flesh wash, or shade, or whatever they call it now. Shade, isn't it? On top of the skin. So all the zombies are going to be different colours for the clothing, but I'm going for green trousers for this guy. And I'm just going to go on with a little bit of contrast orc flesh as a base coat and build it up in a couple of tones on top. For the lady, I'm coming in with corn red for her dress. This guy, I'm going to use Death Guard green for his trousers. Just see what the difference will be like. Just do a couple of thin watered down coats. And I'm just going to come in with a light blue for his top as well, underneath his armour. Now coming in with some Rhinox hide for any wooden bits. This guy's got lots of tree growing out of him, or through him, so I'm going to use this Cygor contrast brown. Next colour is a brown for the belt. Next part is coming in with a lead belcher for any of the blades or metal work. With the hanging guts, I'm just coming in with Vulpus contrast paint. There you go. Coming in with a wash on the clothes with Agrax Earthshade. And the weapon. Just going to dry brush with Iron Rack skin. And another dry brush with Nurgling green just on the top edge. Just going to come in with a little bit of non-oil for the corner of the eyes. Make them a bit darker, as well as the mouth. Alright, a little bit of tidying up with the brown for the branch, and then basing. And for the base, just coming in with some sterling mud. I'm just going to use a light brown for the edge of my base. For the top, I'm just going to dry brush with a bit of Storm Vermin fur. All right, there you go. That's me done for now. I think I might put a bit of a rusting effect on the blade or something like that. Add a bit of those, but I'm not going to spend too much time on it. Mainly because the zombies, I think I'm going to have a lot of them. It's going to be a big horde of zombies. And the great thing about the kit is that you can make loads and they're really interchangeable. You can really kind of make them individuals, which is really cool. So all I did, added a little bit of flock. Look, I think it's like a winter stick-on tuft from RB Painter, but just to give it a bit of character. Just gotta let it dry a little bit longer, touch up a few bits. We're done. I hope you liked the video. I'll stick some photos on a bit. Thanks for watching. Hope you picked up some tips and tricks, and take care.